Yo everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to another video today. Today we are doing a Assassin's Creed inspired workout. We're still in quarantine, still locked down. I've been trying to get workouts, do different things around the house. It's been hard to get ideas, but I've been inspired by the recent Assassin's Creed Valhalla trailer that just came out, and I'm like, I think I could do a workout surrounding the Assassin's Creed games. I've always loved the Assassin's Creed games, and yeah, so I decided let's do a workout about it. Okay, so this workout is going to consist of 3 different parts. The first part being like a movement agility type of workout, and then the second part is going to be strength training. The third part is going to be flexibility. So it'll be like like cardio, and then strength, and then stretching basically. Again, the entire workout will be down in the description below. If you want to screenshot it, use it later when the gyms open up, or if you just want to do it around your house, you can do it right now. All right. So let's get right into the workout. So the speed and agility part is going to be up first. Let's get it.
Into the black hole. Sing for my soul. Through the black hole. To make myself whole again. I'll give you my love. Can't give you my love. No, I'll give you my love. Can't give you my love. I'll give you my love. Into the black hole. Sing for my soul. Through the black hole. To make myself whole again.
Alright everybody, that is the end of the video today. If you enjoyed the workout and the video, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. It really shows me a whole ton of support when you leave a like and subscribe. Makes me want to keep making videos for you guys and keeping up the good content. So please do that. And yeah, expect more videos coming soon. But thank you guys all for being here. Thank you for subscribing. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning.